In this video, I am going to show you how to set AT&T fiber internet. This is only possible, of course, if your AT&T fiber service has already been activated and the fiber line is already installed at your home. If AT&T not installed the fiber yet or the fiber line yet, you'll need a technician visit first. So if you already have the installation ready, you can first of all try to find your fiber connection. Of course, you look for a fiber wall jacket, an ONT or optical network terminal, and AT&T fiber service box. These are commonly found in the utility closet, living rooms, garage, or basement. AT&T notes that the ONT or service box is usually located somewhere inside the home and should have green indicator lights when working properly. So first of all, you would like to connect the fiber to the gateway. Depending on your setup, you can connect the fiber cable to the gateway, or basically connect the ONT to the gateway using the provided Ethernet cable. Make sure every cable clicks firmly into place. Do not sharply bend the fiber cable since there's lights traveling inside. So if you bend it just a little bit, it may have some horrible internet for you. So basically, after you do that, you'd like to plug in the gateway. Just connect the power adapter, turn on the gateway, and wait for the startup. This can take several minutes, so don't unplug anything during the setup. Then you'll basically have to wait for the lights. Wait until the broadband lights become stable, the service lights become stable as well, and if the lights keeps blinking for more than 10 minutes, just recheck the cables, restart the gateway, and confirm your activation gates or dates. Of course, once that is done, you can just go and connect to the Wi-Fi. You either will find a QR code like this where you will be able to scan it and be connected, or behind the router you'll find the name and the password, like the SSID, which is the network name, and also the Wi-Fi password should be printed on the sticker behind the router. After that, of course, for most new installation, once you install the fiber, you'll need to install also the AT&T Smart Home Manager app and sign in with your AT&T account and then follow the activation steps to activate your fiber connection, and then it should be good to go. Of course, some common problems that most people fall into is basically some broadband lights never become solid. Or if that's the problem for you, all you need to do just check that the lights never become solid, or check basically all the fiber and internet connection and restart the gateway if there is a problem and wait just a few minutes longer. If there is no internet after setup, just verify the activation is complete, reconnect to the Wi-Fi and restart the gateway. If there is no light on the gateway, just check the power adapter or try a different outlet. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.